Wheatfield is a cloud-based automation platform for field service businesses. It's ideal for cleaning, electrical, HVAC and other field service companies. In this demo we'll give you an overview of the platform and its essential flows. We start out on the scheduling screen, which gives you a bird's-eye view of your operations, and calls your attention to spots which need your involvement. The job tiles are color-coded to give you an idea of the status of each job. For example, green means that the card is published to the field crew and ready to be executed, while red will give you specific hints on what needs to happen before that job is ready for your crew. On top of each column you will notice a crew utilization indicator for that particular day. Depending on the configuration it may even tell you utilization by shift, like in this example. Scheduling is done with a simple drag and drop mechanism either from the job backlog or between days of the week. Once a job tile has been placed on the calendar, it's considered to be scheduled and only requires a crew to be published. The job tile gives you all the essential information you need about that order, its ID, how much it is worth, resources spent on it, what type of service this is, who the client is, and other information. If you operate a business that works with individual contributors rather than teams, our individual view offers a convenient presentation of the same information by individual contributors. Creating a job is also fast and convenient with the Create Order screen, where you choose the client, the value, the resources needed, and when the client would like the job done. Of course you can go into much more detail with recurring or a standalone configuration. The specific description and tasks. And attachments such as images and floor plans for the convenience of the field crew. For our example, we will create a simple task with the expectation that the details will be filled in later. By the way, each order tracks its own chain of custody and changes made to it. Once the job is created, it's ready to be scheduled. In order to publish a job, you need to assign the team and switch the status to published. This will make the job tile visible to the crew on their mobile interfaces. We will look at those in a minute. As a member of the administrative team, you can also look at the list of completed jobs and use flexible filters to get the results you need. In this case, let's take a look at all order created or completed in the last few days. For completed jobs you can go in and see details about what was done, how much time was actually spent, if all the instructions were followed, and finally see pictures of completed work. Let's flip over to the crew interface. The crew gets their own mobile view which they can access on their phone or tablets. What crew members are able to see are their personal shift schedule, and jobs that have been assigned to them for a particular day. Going inside a job tile, a crew member is able to see all they need about that particular job, information about the location, access to the facility, contacts on site, specific instructions about the job as well as any number of helpful documents, such as floor plans. As the crew is done with executing the job, their lead fills out the complete job form, which will give the HQ an idea of how it went and what were the results. The crew can even attach the before and after pictures. There are a number of ways to get summary information from Wheatfield. You can take a look at the analytics screen for quick stats on jobs, utilization, and revenue. You can head over to the orders screen for a flexible view on the orders. This screen is useful for day-to-day operations. Also, there is a separate tab called Reports, that gives you an extended view of the orders and billing, which allows you to export results into a spreadsheet. This has been a short overview of the platform. There's a lot more to Wheatfield. Feel free to reach out for your personal demo at our website, at getwheatfield.com.